Hello, and welcome back to the Beardo channel. Did you know that in Beardo, you can create WhatsApp message templates that are sent to customers for different order scenarios? For example, following up abandoned checkouts, payment reminders, or notifying customers when their order has been shipped. That means you can create multiple WhatsApp buttons, each with a different purpose. But what if, for one single scenario, you want to send different messages based on the payment method used by the customer? For example, for the order shipped scenario, customers who paid by credit card may receive one message. Customers who paid by manual bank transfer may receive a slightly different message. And all of this without creating multiple WhatsApp buttons. If you want to learn how to create one dynamic WhatsApp template that adapts automatically for each customer, make sure to watch this video until the end. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel, click the like button below, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss new tutorials. From your Beardo website dashboard, go to Apps, then open WhatsApp Template. If you want a full walkthrough of basic WhatsApp templates, we've already covered that in a previous video. You can find the link in the description below. In this example, we're going to edit an existing template called Order Invoice. By default, this template looks like this. And as you can see, the message is very generic. No matter which payment method the customer uses, the message content stays exactly the same. Now let's say we want to add a special message only for customers who paid using manual bank transfer, while customers who paid using instant payment methods, like credit card, receive the normal message. To do this, we'll use conditional variables inside the template. The basic structure looks like this. If, variable name, condition, special message. Else, general message, and if. Don't worry, you don't need to memorize this. You'll just need to adjust the variable name and message text. In this case, we're going to use the payment method variable. So here, we set the condition based on payment_method. Now, replace the payment method value with the one you want to customize. For example, bank transfer. Inside this section, write the message that should only appear for customers using manual bank transfer. For example, please complete your bank transfer within 24 hours to avoid automatic order cancellation. You can complete your payment using the invoice link below. Next, in the Else section, paste the default message that should be sent to customers using other payment methods, such as credit card or instant payment. You can reuse the original template message here, or customize it further if needed. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Now it's time to test. Go to the Orders menu and open All Orders. Here, we'll test two different orders. One order paid using manual bank transfer. One order paid using credit card. Before testing, make sure you already have a WhatsApp template button added to the orders table. If the WhatsApp button doesn't appear yet, open the column settings, add a new column, select WhatsApp template. Then, in the button settings, choose the template we just edited. Select the sending method. For example, I'll choose via WhatsApp Web. Let's click the WhatsApp button for an order paid by credit card. As you can see, the message content follows the default message. All variables are automatically replaced with the correct order data. You can now click Send to send the message to the customer. Next, let's test an order paid via manual bank transfer. Click the same WhatsApp button. Now notice the difference. The message includes the custom verification message we created earlier. This message only appears because the payment method matches the condition we defined. This confirms that the conditional logic is working correctly. This conditional logic doesn't only work with payment methods. You can apply the same concept using other variables available in the template list, such as shipping method, shipping country or city, order total, order weight, and others. For example, you could show a special message for international orders, or add an extra notice for high-value purchases. all using one single WhatsApp template. So instead of creating multiple WhatsApp buttons for the same scenario, you can create one smart template that adapts automatically to different order conditions. This makes your workflow cleaner, faster, and easier to manage. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, follow us on social media for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.